Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn colors. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, a surprise egg! What color is it? It's red! Red! Wow, a red car!
So kids, what is the next color? What color is this? Green. Green frog. Green. All right, friends, which color comes now? Can you tell me this color? It's orange. Orange cat.
Orange.
Let's see the next one. Do you know this color? This one is pink. Pink teddy. Pink.
What color's coming now? Can you see this color? It is black. Black car. Black.
Okay, little learners, here comes another color. Which color do you see? It's white. White rabbit. White right. Are you ready for another color? What shade is this? This color is brown. Brown puppy. Brown. Let's discover one more color. Do you recognize this color? It is purple. Purple butterfly. Purple! Let's find the next color together. What color do you think this is? This is yellow. Yellow bus. Yellow! Let's see which color comes next. Can you tell me this color? This color is blue. Blue car. Blue! Let's remember our colors. Red. Blue. Green.
Yellow.
Pink. And purple, orange, black, white, brown. Great job! See you next time! Great job, kids! I'm so proud of you. Tap like and subscribe. Let's learn again soon. Bye!